Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I'm really glad that you decided to check out my next video. This is actually going to be a shot in the dark, but I think we're going to have a lot of fun. I hope so. Okay, let me go ahead and get into my design wear. Get my jacket off. Oh wow, it's been such a beautiful day. Whoops, take off my cap. Oh, what is this? It's my Easter cap, because we're going to be talking about Easter designs. First, let me get on my apron. And I'm going to suggest that, oops, I got it over. Hopefully I didn't ruin the ears too much, hopefully. I suggest you guys purchase aprons when you're designing flowers. It kind of puts you in a mindset, and also keeps your clothes clean. And I think it would be something really nice, because then you can choose your own design. I'll put a link for these. These are just some inexpensive apron here. I'm getting some new ones with my logo on it. And if you guys are interested, I can always put that up, and maybe you can go ahead and purchase those, and I'll show you where to do that. Okay, let's go ahead and go over what I got. And I told you last time in my last video I got Easter stuff, and I was shopping at the dollar store. Because believe it or not, and I'm sure you've seen this yourself, there are some cute things there. Especially when you're designing just your house or a table. Yeah, you've seen all the cute stuff there. But they also have some really great stuff for floral designs, at least as far as I'm concerned. So let's go ahead and I'll go through this with you, and I'll show you what I found, and we can go from there. Let me get my glasses on. There we go. Let's see here. First one, we're going to start off with the Easter bag. Isn't this a cute bag, by the way? I would suggest buying some of these if you're going to go to Dollar Tree or Dollar General, wherever you go. If you're going to go to a dollar store, purchase some so you can go ahead and carry those around. Unless you prefer to just carry the plastic. I think they're cute, and you can just pull it out when they're packing the stuff at the register. Okay, let's see what we have. Alright guys, let's go ahead and finally get into these bags. I've been teasing you for, 2 videos now. You've seen them and don't know what's inside. And it might be anticlimactic, but hopefully it's not. I really hope. Let me go ahead and lift up this table so you can see these items really well. And, oops, wrong way. Would help if I press the right direction. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's get this table raised so you guys can definitely see this. Okay, first bag. It's going to be our Easter bag. Carrot picks. Aren't those cute? I wouldn't, depending on the size of the arrangement, this would have to be a rather large one for it to look cute. But I definitely can use those. This is just a little cute design that I got. I might use it in a future creation. I don't know, I just thought it was cute, so it inspired me to pick it up. I got some Easter egg picks. Again, these can be used in a lot of different designs, sizes. So these will be useful, and I'm sure we can come up with some great ideas for it. Cute bunny picks, aren't those cute? I thought those were really nice. Got some neon colored Easter grass, which is definitely obligatory for any kind of Easter design. Especially if we're going to do something that's maybe out of the shape of a basket, and we're going to kind of play with it. I would like it to look as authentic as possible. And finally, oh look, ears. Let's see. These bunny ears, aren't those cute? Oh my god. I don't know. Oh, you know what? I think Zim picked these up, but they're so cute. You see the tag. I apologize. I will definitely use those in the future when we're designing. It'll be fun. And finally, I have another set of those carrot picks. All right, let's go on to the next one. Oh yeah, this is a really cute. I got this actually at Dollar Tree, and so I think it was maybe $3, maybe $5. I'm not sure. But it's a 2-tiered tray, which we could definitely place arrangements on. I don't know, we could do all kinds of stuff with it. Why don't we just play around and see what we can do? Next, I'm going to show you what else I found, oh, might as well pull them out. St. Patrick's Day, we can't forget that. In fact, let's go ahead and add them to my little gnomes. These gnomes I actually picked up at the same time. So I'm gonna just put these here for maybe just a nice little look to get them out of the way, to be honest with you, but it's not working. Okay, that gnome is very unhappy. Okay, there we go. You get the idea, St. Patrick's Day. Oh, next, I got some glow party favors. I'm gonna do some designs in the evening sometime, and I'm gonna play around with it, and I'm gonna try to manipulate lights within the arrangement and see what we can come up with. It's gonna be a first for me, but I think it'll be something. This is, to be honest with you, this is the perfect forum to go ahead and share my ideas. And maybe you can recreate it, build on it, whatever you want to do. Okay, next I have some more St. Patrick stuff. This is just little things that I might put in a design, especially if I was going to be giving this as a gift. And next I have some obligatory, oh God, what are they called? Stools. Oh my God, I can't even think. Oh my gosh, I'll come back to that. I can't believe I can't remember. Okay, here's another thing I got. Oh my gosh, little St. Patrick's. This could be really cute. Put a pick underneath the stick. We'll stick it to an arrangement. Of course, again, we would have to make sure that the proportions are correct if we added something like that. Maybe you can make it a centerpiece. My next, I got this cute scarf, which when I'm doing my designs for St. Patrick, of course, I'll put them on and I look beautiful. I am just weird. Let's see, I got some garland, and you know, if I was really going to use this and try to create a space like on my table, or maybe if I was going to do several designs, I would have got several of these. These were only a couple bucks. I definitely recommend that. It's kind of cute. And it seems like it's a good quality also. And again, I have some more little St. Patrick's designs. Bar coasters. I could not think of the name. Bar coasters. Okay, next, let's see what we have. Oh, look at this. Easter garland. Isn't that cute, the little bunnies? Again, I will use this. I will take this out, and whatever design I'm doing, whether I'm doing a design on a table with either decorations or a floral arrangement, maybe I'll put these around it, or I'll just kind of make it, it kind of surrounds the scene, kind of like environments, kind of makes it a nice little cozy neighborhood. And let's see what else. I have some Easter gauze, which we could use also on a table. If I was making a design, I could surround it underneath the container, depending on what I was using. And more Easter grass. And, okay, that looks like it. Oh, everything. Okay, whoops. I left something down here. More carrot pits. More carrot picks. Smaller though, so I wouldn't have to have such a large design for it to look still in proportion. So let's see, what can we do here? Okay, everyone, go ahead and go out to your favorite store. Go look for these. You can go to Dollar Tree, Dollar General. I have most of these items were bought at Dollar Tree. I will say that I'm not promoting them. They just have some really cute stuff this year, and I definitely recommend you check them out. And I recommend you check them out earlier than later, because a lot of the good items will disappear rather quickly if you haven't noticed that before. So I suggest you go out there and do that. And the next thing we're going to do, the next part of our design challenge is going to be taking my dining room table, creating a setting, an Easter setting with all kinds of little decorations, and then making a design to go in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and walk on over there, and you can follow me